So you've got a classic 92 to 97 Ford truck, maybe an F-150, F-250, or F-350, and you're thinking about giving that steering wheel a serious upgrade. Well, this NRG Innovations Racing Steering Wheel Short Hub might just be the ticket. This isn't just about looks, though it definitely adds a cool factor with its black anodized finish. It's about bringing a modern racing feel to your older truck. The big deal here is the NRG Quick Release System. It's designed with a 6x17 bolt pattern, which is pretty standard for many aftermarket racing wheels. What's really neat is that it's engineered to retain your horn and turn signals, which is a huge plus for daily drivability. Nobody wants to lose those essential functions. Now the construction. NRG uses high-quality 6061 billet aluminum for this hub. That means it's built to last, offering both durability and strength. The anodized finish isn't just for show. It helps protect against corrosion and wear, keeping it looking sharp for a long time. This hub is specifically designed for those 90-97 Ford F-Series trucks, but a crucial note, it's for models without a clock spring. So double-check your truck's setup before you buy. Installation is something to consider. NRG strongly recommends professional installation, and honestly, for something as critical as your steering, that's probably wise. They don't include installation instructions, so if you're not comfortable with steering column work, definitely find a good mechanic. What you get in the box is the hub adapter itself. It's the foundation for adding that aftermarket steering wheel and quick release you've been eyeing. It's a solid piece of kit that feels substantial. The idea is to give you a more personalized and engaging driving experience, bringing that race-inspired feel right into your truck's cabin. It's a great way to make your older Ford feel a bit more modern and a lot more you. Overall, if you're looking to swap out your stock steering wheel on a compatible 90-97 Ford truck and want a reliable, quality hub that maintains essential functions, this NRG unit is a strong contender. It's well built, looks sharp, and sets you up perfectly for that custom steering wheel setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.